So last year I had grown my tomatoes and used cages like pretty much everybody else that I know, and they just look sad. This year, I upgraded. What's going on, everybody? In today's video we're going to go over my really easy to build and super effective tomato trellis. I took this idea from a bunch of different sources and kind of combined a bunch of different trellises that I've seen out there and landed on this one. It was very easy to make. I used 4 2x2 pressure treated pieces of wood, and they were 8 feet long, and I used about 16 of these fasteners with an eyelet on them to tie string to. So getting into it, I didn't use a measuring tape at all for this build. I just kind of lined it up, cut it so that it would fit inside the garden bed, and then started screwing it together. So I first started by measuring up the bottom piece so that I can get it flush with the top of the garden bed and fasten it in on the bottom. I then lined up where each plant was on this bottom piece so that I could drill holes for the fasteners to run the string up and down. Once I had lined that up, I simply drilled holes into it for the fasteners, put the fasteners in, which was super easy, just tedious, and I did this for both top and bottom. I then chose how high I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be close to about 6 feet high, even though on a raised bed we're going to be a total of 8 feet high, I think, on this build. I wanted to have it fairly high so that I didn't have to top these plants too early and stop their growth. I then just slid this whole structure in behind the plants and fastened it to the garden bed and braced it on the fence. I simply tied string at the bottom loop and the top loop and wound the tomato stem around the string itself. And I can continuously, as the tomato grows, just wind it more and more and keep going up that string for easy access for pruning and easy access to fruit, and as well freeing up a lot of room beneath the tomatoes to plant some more plants, maybe some basil, maybe some other things. I haven't decided yet. This was super easy, and I'm so glad that I did it this way, because last year I had so many headaches with those tomato cages, a lot of plants that were unsupported and breaking and stuff like that. This was just a solution to all of those problems, and I think that this year my harvest is going to be a lot better since I can maintain these tomatoes a lot easier. If you like content like this, be sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. Comment down below if you want to see another topic covered. I am planning on building a strawberry tower, so stay tuned for that. As always, you can find the most recent video on the top left, a related video on the bottom left, and the subscribe button on the right hand side. I'll see you in next week's video.